Finding brand name wholesale suppliers for Amazon FBA involves several strategic steps. Identify your niche. Define the product categories and brand names you're interested in. This helps in targeting the right suppliers and ensures your search is focused. Research online marketplaces. Use online platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, and Thomasnet to find wholesalers and manufacturers. Look for suppliers who offer brand name products and have a strong reputation. Utilize wholesale directories. Explore directories such as Wholesale Central, Worldwide Brands, and SaleWho. These platforms list verified wholesalers and can help you find reputable suppliers for brand name products. Attend trade shows. Participate in industry trade shows and expos to connect directly with brand representatives and wholesalers. Events like the ASD Market Week or Canton Fair can provide valuable context and insights. Contact brands directly. Reach out to brand manufacturers or authorized distributors. Many brands have specific channels for wholesale inquiries and may offer direct wholesale opportunities. Leverage networking. Join industry forums, social media groups, and networking events related to Amazon FBA and retail. Networking with other sellers can lead to supplier recommendations and valuable insights. Verify supplier credibility. Conduct due diligence by checking reviews, requesting references, and verifying business credentials. Ensure that the supplier is authorized to distribute the brand name products. Negotiate terms. Once you find potential suppliers, negotiate terms such as pricing, minimum order quantities, and shipping arrangements to ensure favorable conditions for your Amazon FBA business.